Got a mud skipper down there. Yeah, he's not moving now, but he can go on land or in the water. Okay, back on the pathway here.
The monkey, the proboscis monkey, will come from different direction. Some come from this direction, some can come from this direction, and can be anywhere. And they are two different groups, the bachelor group and also the harem groups. So if you see the monkey and then you try to look and identify, if you see females and babies, this is the harem group. But if you see all boys together, these are the bachelor group. Yeah. So sometimes they will come.
There's the monkeys going after food here. Very good. They're eating it up. Nobody's business there. Those are the other ones here. Oh. They're all at the water place now.
Oh, I don't like it when they look at you.
No, I don't like it.
We got two little guys right here in the end. They're kind of looking at me here. All right, do a leap. Waiting for a leap. Oh, he's going to take the pole.